I told her far away there was somebody who's down. Come on! Do you believe in me? I'm yours, you're mine. And though you refuse to see, I'll be behind you. Do you believe in me? I'm yours, you're mine. And though you refuse to see, I'll be behind. Thank you so much. No. Do you want to die? Do you want to? I'll be hearing you someday say, do you want my love? Do you want my love? Hey! She was working every day down the street, selling flowers, pretending she was blind. So I said, won't you please believe me instead of running round and then laughing all the time? Do you believe in me? I'm yours, you're mine. And though you refuse to see, I'll be behind you. Do you believe in me? I'm yours, you're mine. And though you refuse to see, I'll be behind you. Do you believe in me? And that is the Do You Believe in Me by Eric Garden. Thank you. And now you're listening, my boys. Abdul Sakalin in the house. Come on, and shout out to my own agency, SRL. SRF, yeah. Thank you for coming. And okay, here we go. Kata tayo ng OPM. The OPM song. Thank you guys. Hey! Come on. Humingang malalim, pumikit na muna. At baka sakaling namamalikmata ba't nababahala? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawag pa. Hey! Shoutout sa inyo lahat! Hindi na unang mana ang lahat, tinagpan naman na king sugat. Ngunit at na nandito pa rin, hirap na kong intindihin. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana. Dahil sa bawat tingin, mukha mo'y nakikita. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa aking kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahan, nililibing ng buhay pa. Hey, thank you so much. Hindi na makalaya, dinadalo mo ko bawat gabi. Wala nang nakikita, haplos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, Hindi na makagising, pasindin na ng ilang. Pinumunto na ako ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Hindi pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamamaya pa? Hindi na ba mamamaya pa? Nakalaya, dinadalo mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, hindi na makagising, pasindin na ng ilang. Minumulto na ako ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Hindi mo pa ako lilisanin, hindi pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamamaya pa? Hindi na ba mamamaya pa? Thank you so much. Hey! Woo! And that is also my cup of joe. And let's proceed to the next song. You know, this is one of my favorite songs. Okay. Thank you. So. You and I must make a vow. We must bring salvation down. Where there is love, and I'll be there. Hey, I'll reach out my hand to you. I'll be in lonely you. Just call my name and I'll be there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'll be there to comfort you. I'll build my world up around you. I'm so glad that I found you, yeah. I'll be there with love so strong. I'll be your strength. No, I'll keep holding on.